Good morning, children. Children, we have learnt about the five sense organs in the first lesson. Do you remember the five sense organs? Yes. The sense organs like eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Now, the functions of these sense organs are is to give you the senses from outside. Now, if you see about the eyes gives you the sense of seeing. You can see the various things. Then ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, and skin to feel. Now we have learnt about the two senses, the sense of smell and the sense of hearing, in the first chapter in details. Now, in this chapter, from tasting to digesting, we will learn about the sense of taste in details. To study the sense of taste, we have to learn about the structure of tongue. So, children, please come here. Please let us see the structure of tongue. In this, if you see the structure of the tongue is broad at the back side and it is tapering towards the front side. So it is tapering from back to front here. Broader at the back, narrow at the front. If you feel the tongue with your fingers, but mind well that you have to wash your hands first. So when you feel the tongue with your finger, you can see there are small tiny bumps on the tongue. These tiny bumps on the tongue, they are known as taste buds. Now if you see, what is the function of taste buds? The function of taste buds is to give you the taste of food. Children, we enjoy the food only if we get the taste, delicious taste. How you say, my mother cooks delicious food. This delicious word is very important. Now this taste, how do you get the taste? When you take a bite of food and put it in your mouth, you don't feel any taste in the beginning. Why? There is one reason. Actually, when you put the bite in your mouth and you chew the food, by chewing the food gets mixed with saliva. Saliva is a juice from salivary glands. Here on this side here, there are two salivary glands. From these two glands, the juice comes out. And when we chew the food gets mixed with saliva. And when the food gets mixed with saliva, you get the taste. So chewing is very, very important, children. Your parents or your elders, they say that chew the food 32 times. This is one of the important reasons. The second reason is that when you chew the food, it gets soft. And some part of the food, when it gets mixed with saliva properly, then some part of the food is digested also. So chewing the food for mixing it with saliva to get the taste and also to digest the food is very, very important. Okay, children? So these taste buds, they give you the taste. Then on the tongue, if you see, there are four parts here. Or you can say that you can feel the taste, four different tastes. You can feel the sweet taste here on the tip of the tongue. Then on the sides over here, you get the salty taste. On the side over here, on the little upper side, you get sour taste. And in the middle, on the back portion, here you get the bitter taste. Now we will see the examples of sweet food. Sweet means immediately the names of many sweets come in your mouth. Gulab jamun, cake, ice creams, sweets, custard, kheer. Okay? Then salt is. Salt means the food items which we eat daily, like dal, sabji, samosa, wafers. All these are salty in taste. Then sour. Sour means khatta, the most liked taste by the children. All these food items like raw mango, imli, nimbu, lime, curd, all these food items, they are sour to taste. And children of your age, you naturally you like the sour taste the most. And the fourth taste is bitter taste, which you get on the middle of the year. Bitter food items include methi, karela, medicines, which we generally don't like, but we have to eat them. Medicines, though, you can avoid by eating all the good food items, or you can say food items are always good, but all the food items to get all the nutrients, so which will keep you away from the diseases. But methi, karela, you cannot escape from them because you get nutrients, like you get vitamin A, you get iron in methi, which are very essential for your body. Okay. Now these days, when you enjoy the food, how you enjoy the food? You enjoy the food only by getting the taste. And this taste you have to get, but sometimes you don't get the taste. When you don't get the taste, when you have got cold. When we have cold, what happens when we have cold? The nose is blocked, and then you don't get smell. Now here children, these two senses, smell and taste, they are interconnected. If you don't get the smell, you don't get the taste. So when you have cold, you don't get the taste, and you say mostly that I don't want to eat the food. The reason is you are not getting the proper taste. Okay, so this give reason can come in the examination. Please give reason. When you have cold, you don't get the taste of the food. The reason is because the sense of smell and sense of taste, they are interconnected. And then when you have cold, the nose is blocked, you don't get the smell, and so you don't get the taste. Understood, children? Now here once again we will revise all the parts of our tongue. Taste buds, which are the tiny bumps all over the tongue. Then tip of the tongue, you get sweet taste. On the sides you get salt taste. On the sides here again you get the sour taste. And in the back portion, in the middle, there is a bitter taste. Now children, now look here. I will show you the structure of tongue. Here, can you see here the structure of tongue? All the four parts. Okay. Thank you.